Well, it's all fine and dandy, and that would be real pretty, but you can't put a square peg in a round hole. So I'm supposed to go and chisel out every one of these doors that I'm replacing, you know, and then the same thing over here. This is square. I have rounded. And so what happens is the doorknob doesn't fit, so I've got it still works, but now I've got this mark underneath. I'm hoping it'll come off. But, you know, I do like the doorknobs. They're really nice. But this is an older house, and every one of my doors and every one of the door jambs have rounded edges on them, so the plates do not fit correctly.
These doorknobs come with one screw that's pre-installed on the doorknob, or two screws that are pre-installed on the doorknob, and you have to unscrew them right here and here, and here's one of the screws I was able to unscrew. But this one, you can see I can't get it unscrewed, even though I used double WD-40 on it and tried using pliers on it and different screwdrivers. I found this on several of the doorknobs, couldn't get this out, so it basically rendered this doorknob useless. And I found this on a few out of the several doorknobs I ordered. I found this on a few of them, so basically garbage.